My name is Rashid and I belong to Sitapur, which is just near Lucknow. I have done my BCom from CSJM Kanpur University. So, in terms of my education, I do not have any diploma as well as any certificate to make my career grow and shine in the IT sector. But I'm eager to learn new things to make my career shine and grow in the IT sector. That is the reason one of my friend he got placed by the Evision in Accenture. So he told me if you want to come in the IT sector, then you have to join Evision, which is really good platform to know the concept of the IT as well as they provide you job placement 100% by the team after the training. Then I taught and after that I decided to join the Evision and right now almost I have completed 2 months and then I placed by the Evision in News18. So today my first day of joining in News18 and it's all about happened by the Evision and by the team. They have good mentor as well as they teach to the students like me and also if you want to join then you can be they have good hands of knowledge like networking, virtualization, server as well as application and CCNA. So it is a basically basic course to join a IT sector. So I'm very blessed and thank you so much Evision and team.